Hello everyone, my name is Anish and welcome to 𝙎𝙪𝙗𝙨𝙘𝙧𝙞𝙗 Tech channel, and today we are going to make a program which will search in Google using Python. Before you need a package called web browser which will already install in all devices while installing the pip. Now let's get started. First you should import the web browser. Import web browser. Now we are using the Google search engine. Now we should open the Google search engine link. Web browser dot open the Google search engine link. First you should keep the function and now keep the link, and we should make a variable for an input. So I am keeping the variable as a is equal to input type here to search in Google, and we should keep here the curly brackets and here a variable. Now let's run the code. It's asking type here to search in Google, but I want to ask me in the downline. So I am keeping here the black backslash n. Now let's run it. Now let's type here and let's enter. It's opening in Chrome. Yeah, it had gave. And see, like this my project will work. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you enjoyed, like the video.